morning everyone. My 2-second improvement today is to sort out my Manoflex strip. As you can see, over time, because it's paper, it keeps ripping off, and every time you go to move this up and down, it just gets worse and worse and worse as it goes up. So this is how you unlock it, and as it slides, it is actually pulling the paper off. So we're going to try to improve it, okay? So thanks for watching. So this is my improvement. So as you can see, all of the actual runner is all been painted. And thanks to Alex, we've actually got new labels that will actually fit on the actual middle piece. So when this comes up and down, it doesn't catch any of them. And the labels off. And we've also got a little place there